Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about Spring Form elements. As the name suggests, Spring also gives us the functionality to create forms using form element, and these are similar to HTML with some additional functionality. So if we simply Google for Spring Form elements, you will get a couple of search results from spring.io. One of the search result is this: for version 4.2.x. Click on this. The name of the search result is Spring Form JSP tag library. Click on this link and here you will get a huge list. And firstly we have this list where we have the list of tags available, like form tag, error tag, password tag, option tag, and couple of more. And if we check any link, for example input tag, we click on this link, it will give us a huge list of attributes which are available for this tag. So this is a very handy document. Do check this out. Alright, now moving forward, for example I navigate to the Google once again. Now again in here Google for Spring Form tag lib. Alright, and you will again get a search result from spring.io. Click on the link and in here you will get couple of examples how to create different things, which is cool, which is nice. We will again check those out, but one of the thing would be this configuration, the tag lib. So simply copy this tag lib, and in order to make use of form elements, this tag lib is important. So simply copy this, minimize this, and let me quickly open up Eclipse. And in here this particular project is nothing but a copy of our previous project, and we have this view file. Let me add the tag lib into this document. Here we go. And let me quickly show you the like form elements. So in here, for example, anywhere I type in form colon and I show you, here is the list of tags which are available under Spring. Alright, so this was a quick introduction towards Spring Form elements. In our next video we will make some changes into our application and we will try to understand how to make use of these tags, and we will try to handle this in our program. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.